Welcome to Projects tutorial. To add a new project, click on plus icon. Write the project name here. Write the website link of your project here. Select the start date of the project by clicking on the calendar icon. Select the year by clicking on the year. Select month and date. Click on OK to save the selected date. If your project is still under process, you can select present. If you have completed your project, select the end date by clicking on the calendar icon. Click OK to save the selected date. Write the project description here. You can write a short description of your project. Click on Confirm to save your project. To delete save project, swipe to left. Click on Recycle icon. Click OK to delete save project. You have to write only once. Your data will be stored in your local storage memory. Deleting application will remove all of your data. To edit the save project, single tap on the save project. You can modify your save project. When you modified it, click on Confirm to save it again. Great, now you have added projects to your resume. Let's move to the Achievements section.